avoid eye makeup just because it's very difficult to apply? Maybe you're wondering where to place the eyeshadow, or you're still struggling to get that perfect wing liner. If that's you, don't worry. You don't need to know every makeup technique to create those beautiful eyes. Just like the movie Ratatouille, anyone can cook. This is also very simple. Anyone can learn how to create beautiful eye makeup with simple steps. In today's episode of these 100 eye makeup tutorial, I'm showing you this beautiful eyes that takes just 3 simple steps. And you just need 3 products too. Used all earthy colors. If you're not into too much of color kind of a person, this eye makeup is perfect for you. Watch this tutorial till the end. Make notes, save this video, and learn this look for your next occasion. So without any delay, let's get started. Okay, so let's start with just adding a blush, a color to our face. And the next step is to groom our eyebrow. For this, I'm using Mars Brow Definer. I'm just grooming my brow, just brushing it upwards, just coloring it wherever I see the gaps. Same on the other eyebrow as well. Let's even it out. I never give a different shape. I always just try to fill the gaps. Here I'm using this Mars Back to Basics palette, which has these shades. So I'm going to create this halo look, which is very easy and simple to create in just 3 steps. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to directly go with a darker shade. So I'm going to pick this, the darker brown here, picking the product from both the sides of the brush, tapping the excess, just patting it on the outer V corner and inner V corner. Let's not go with too much intensity because this look is something which is very subtle. For those people who do not want to take too much time on doing their eye makeup. So just one matte product. It has to be darker. Pat it on the outer V corner roughly. Same thing on the inner V corner roughly. Let's focus on application of the product, then later we can learn the technique. Now here I'm using this copper shade. Now I'll also come up with different color combinations in this particular technique. So but let's go with the copper, which is not too bold, neither too bright. It just adds a shine, and pick the product and apply it on the center of the eyes. And try to blend both the sides. If you want, you can go for like 2 to 3 layers, but I would say this much is enough. Now take your powder brush and gently go over your crease and soften these colors on the edges. There you go. So that's the application of the eyeshadow. Now let's enhance the features. Now for this I'm using Just Herbs Kajal. Add roughly no wing. Go as close as the lashes. Let's do the other eye as well. Don't worry if it gets thick line, thin line. We are going to smudge it anyways. Let's go with the kajal. It's a beautiful kohl. I think just with one stroke you get such a thick shade. Now take an angular brush and just start smudging. Now take any soft color. So I'm trying to do these two here. Just going over the crease. This is just to create that flush shade and a little bit depth in the brow bone. The same shade to the lower lashes. Just one swipe, I'm not doing anything extra here, and go with the mascara. Now here is a trick for mascara. Make sure you want more volume. Always start with vertical, give a vertical feathery touch so that the lashes get separated, and then give 2 to 3 strokes. At last, clean it up from the top. And that gives very long lashes. Let's do it again. You're going to separate it. And that's our finished eye look. See, eye makeup doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes just 3 products or 3 simple steps can give you amazing look. That's enough to create those beautiful, perfect eyes. If you recreate this look, I would love to hear your experience. Please mention it below. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe to Self Makeup Mastery, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notification on all the future videos. Check out the next tutorial in this series and I will see you there.